Hey everyone, in this video let us see how is the gas fee scenario in Ethereum. Now if you guys don't know, in blockchain technology there's a term called as gas. Now gas is something that you need to account for while creating your smart contract. Think of it sort of like as a transaction fee that you pay to the miners and the validators in exchange for them validating your transaction and then storing the necessary states and all in the blockchain. You can also think of it as the price that you pay for the computation that it takes to deploy your smart contract on the Lithium network, and also the fees for storing the states of your smart contract on the blockchain. Now, devs at Alephium had made it so that the gas price of each transaction in Alephium is minimal. So, to make it more affordable and so that many developers around the world can easily write their smart contracts, pay the minimal gas fees that is required to deploy it, and then work on Lithium. Now, there are a few things that is unique to Lithium and that have really made lithium much better of a choice in terms of the scene in the gas fees. Now, first thing is there is very low minimum gas, so I guess it's around 0.002 ELF, which is the native lithium blockchain token. So this ensures that there is no unnecessary spammy attack on a lithium network while also keeping every transaction uh, very affordable. And that, as you can see here in the documentation, there are two things, actually two parameters for each transaction that you do on lithium. First is gas amount and other is gas price. Now, gas amount is like the total amount of gas that you require to do on-chain computation and then store the necessary states and stuff. Now, gas price on the other hand is the amount of tokens, ELF, since we are using a lithium, that you are ready to pay for each gas. So total amount of token that you need to use per transaction is gas amount multiplied by gas price. So you have, let's say, assuming you have n amount of gas and you are paying k amount as the gas price for each gas. So the total amount that you need to pay will be, of course, n into k. It has to be more than the minimum uh, required amount, as you can see here. And as we already discussed, the minimum required amount is very low, and it makes sure that every transaction is very much affordable for every developer. You can read more about it, how do you estimate gas amount and gas estimation multiplier and stuff. There are examples. I'd insist you guys to read the documentation a bit more and things will become much more clear. So that's it. That's a quick video about gas fees on Lithium. Try to create smart contracts, try to deploy them, see how gas works and how you can optimize your smart contracts to use as less gas as possible. And yeah, that's it for this video.